In this video, we will demonstrate how to import ready-made containers to SD Desktop. Step 1. Find a suitable container. In this video, we import beta binding and expression target analysis software to SD Desktop. This tool is available as a ready-made Apptainer container in Biocontainers repository. First, go to the Biocontainers website at biocontainers.pro. Click Registry and type in the word Systrom Beta to the search bar. Then, click the search result. From this page, we can check the repository link that we will use to access the Apptainer container. Note that this page uses term Singularity, that is the old name of Apptainer. Click the link that leads to the GitHub homepage. On GitHub, click the link that leads to the Systrom webpage. Then scroll down and check the URL into which the link test data download points to. We download the test data for confirming that the container works. Step 2. Download the container. As we don't need to build the container from scratch, we can use buhti.csc.fi server to download the container image and push it to SD Connect. Therefore, we open a new tab and log into Buhti. Click Compute Node Shell to start an interactive batch job session and change the resources to match your needs. Then, press Launch. Once the session is running, click on Connect to SSH session. Then open the terminal and execute the commands shown in the video. After the unset command, type in the command Apptainer pull beta SIF and copy the link from the Biocontainers website and insert it in the terminal after the command. This command downloads the software container from the Biocontainer repository. After the download is complete, we can use command ls to see that the file beta.sif has been created. Next, we download the test dataset from the Systrom website. Type wget in the terminal and copy the test data download link from the Systrom website and insert it to the terminal after the wget, and then execute the command. Step 3. Upload container to SD Connect. First, activate allas commands in Buhti by executing the module load allas command. Then, follow the instructions in the terminal and enter your CSC password. Wait while the computer retrieves your projects. Then we use aput command to store the files into the bucket in Allas. Aput is used with option SDX in order to encrypt the uploaded data with SD desktop compatible encryption. After that, execute the command shown in the video. Finally, execute the alist command to check that the upload was successful. And then close the connection by executing the command exit and delete the session that's running on Buhti. Step 4. Download the container to SD desktop. Next, go to SD desktop and open the right connection from all connections. Then, open Data Gateway application and select SD Connect. Log in with your CSC credentials. Then, click Continue. Click Open Folder and then find the right beta folder from your project folder. Copy the contents of the folder to your home directory by dragging both files to the home icon. Then, open the terminal in the virtual desktop and use ls command to check that the files are available. Next, unzip the test dataset. By using the ls command, we can see that the file is now available. Now you can run beta through Apptainer command. For example, the help of command beta- is shown with the following command. Additionally, the analysis with sample data in directory beta test data can be executed with commands such as the following. You can check where the results will be written to by using the ls command. In this video, the results will be written to directory beta output. Additionally, you can check the contents of the file with the less command. Now the container is imported to SD Desktop, and you can use it to add new software to your SD Desktop environment.